Chapter 8. Learn coding. Topics covered. What is a sequence? English sequence. Everyone can learn to code. It's just like solving a puzzle or a riddle. You apply logic, try a solution, experiment a little more and then solve the problem. This helps us to be a problem solver. We can learn coding by drawing a sequence. Cyber tidbits. Coding is a method of communicating with a computer. Coding allows us to create things such as computer software, websites, apps and video games. We give instructions to computer using specific codes in order to produce a desired outcome. What is a sequence? Sequence is the order of the instructions that are executed by a computer. It allows us to carry out tasks that have multiple steps. We can relate sequence to our everyday lives. Think about making a mayonnaise and sauce sandwich as task. For example, if we want to make a delicious mayonnaise and sauce sandwich, we need to follow multiple steps in a logical order. We would begin by gathering our ingredients, getting a knife, spreading the mayonnaise, spreading the sauce and so forth. In the same way, we need to give instructions to the computer in the correct sequence without missing any step. Start. Mix together all the ingredients. Put the pie in the oven to bake. Take pie out of oven. Enjoy the pie. In both programming and day-to-day tasks, if we don't put every step in the right sequence, the end result isn't what we wanted. Sequence is the most foundational concept in programming. Let's learn few coding keys to create a sequence. Move one square forward. Move one square backward. Move one square down. Move one square up. Change to next color. Fill in square with color. For example, Step 1. Move one square forward. Step 2. Fill in square with color. Step 3. Move one square backward. Step 4. Fill in square with color. Will be written as. Let us see another example to draw the whole from the plain English sequence and the symbols. English sequence. Step 1. Move one square forward. Step 2. Fill in square with color. Step 3. Move one square forward. Step 4. Move one square down. Step 5. Move one square backward. Step 6. Move one square backward. Step 7. Fill in square with color. Step 8. Move one square forward. Step 9. Fill in square with color. Step 10. Move one square down. Step 11. Move one square backward. Step 12. Move one square backward. Step 13. Move one square forward. Step 14. Fill in square with color. Step 15. Move one square forward.